we are also for many years, and we are the one who've been investing on early stages to different projects. The main idea to bring non-crypto people or non-blockchain people to the world, because
Yeah.
well, I just wanted to add one thing in
Yeah.
terms of the meme coins you were saying, because
Yeah, my name is Ravi and we are from Crypto versus Stocks, and we wanted to know like what LBanks do,
yes.
and you can explain about your product, what is all about, and how you are sponsoring the other project as you already explained to me. So let's have a talk about it.
Yeah, sure. I would like to say that thank you for coming and joining us.
Yeah.
So me as a Delosa, I work as a business development manager for LBank. LBank is a actually not a fresh new company. If you like, unlike two people around us, we are on the market since 2015, and LBank Labs is one of the products. So we have Exchange, we have other companies we are working on, including projects. So as a lab, we are also for many years, and we are the one who've been investing on early stages to different projects as an angel investment.
Okay.
So, yeah, for example, let's take an example of Polkadot. Polkadot is a huge right now project with a incubation, with also trading platforms, and so many things are right now available on Polkadot. But we were the one who invested when there was almost technically nothing.
Yeah.
That's the idea. So right now, the capacity of the investment is around $100 million in our hands. We are managing and we are
Okay.
investing in different projects. Of course, we are looking to educational innovation projects, but there are also many other things around, which is we are happy to explore. Of course.
Okay, sounds good. It's really great to know about like the you are working with like Polkadot as well. So when I started working into the crypto and DeFi platform, like I've also bought some tokens from the Polkadot, and I've seen graph like the Polkadot was going up when all the market was in the blood red. So I would know like how the things work. We are really working on the projects like dApps, DeFi, and everything. So it's sounding good, and it's helping you to grow, and as well as your seed funding companies as well. So may I know like how do you guys funding like in terms of crypto, in terms of fiat, like how they got the funding like after completing the funding stage or something? Like yeah, like in terms of like for example, if I have a company and if I want to get funding from your company as well, like if I'm launching new projects, yeah, and I want to get funding from your team as well, like so how you are going to collaborate, and how what are the things are going to be, what steps I need to follow, what are the things I need to represent to your team, and how they are going to finalize the funding, and how the funding are going to be distributed to our team, like in terms of fiat or in terms of crypto, because you are already working into the crypto industry. So I just wanted to know like the basic things. Yeah.
Sure. I would say that any investment in the world, they have different types and different ways of investment. So,
Yeah.
in general, as a money, how money works, there will be two options if we are in crypto. One is equity investment, and the second one is investment into tokens.
Okay.
So, in this case, so everything is depends on project and what exactly project needs. So we are exploring everything, but there are two ways you can apply and get in touch with us. The first one is the website where you can apply your project, so you will give us all information and get in touch. So the second one to meet us here and all. So that's how we can also discuss. We have a team also who's searching for good projects, and also like this $100 million we are talking about. So of course we are having also collaboration with other VC companies who's also looking around and checking for really cool technically or innovation from innovation prospect projects. So we are looking, and then what will be the option?
Okay.
So that will
So
be the
sounds good.
investment.
Like I entered into the this industry when I started mining bitcoins. So like I've lost some of the tokens when I crashed my system. I was using the desktop for mining the bitcoins. So I know like it took a very long time. Like you are standing in this industry for the last 9 years. So I know like have a big change right now, and we are also having a different scope of work. Like some of our clients need like the help with the development and everything, and we can look into it like how the things work. So it's really sounding great, and I can see like you are already having a big names like the algorithm, blockage, and I already uh, use this ecosystem to utilize the token funding, buying the tokens and everything, and this comes into your portfolio, gives us like community, it gives trust to the community because there are lots of meme coins are available into the market and they are just doing a pump and dump, and we do not want to waste our money as well as the community money. So we are just sharing the best information into the market so that they understand. And thank you for explaining all this, and it was really nice to talk to you, Dinloza. Yeah, yeah,
Well, I just wanted to add one thing in
yeah,
terms of the meme coins you were saying, because for some reason right now it's super popular,
yeah,
and I can't say it's unfortunately or fortunately. In general, it depends on the market demand.
yeah.
So we do understand that also we're investing what's right now important to have, what right now is really must be on the market, or that would will bring, of course, most of the revenue. But at the same time, from the exchange prospect and from the user prospect, we do understand that we have to also offer what demand
Okay.
requires, right?
Start.
And yes, there can be a billion project with a good technology and a good future, but there are also mass of people who wants to put $100
Okay.
and to withdraw 1,000.
Correct. So the main thing is that, like, have you funded any particular organization, those who are incorporating the meme token as well with the ecosystem?
So
Any
usually,
specific one? Yeah.
no, usually it's more into technology,
Into the ecosystem.
but there are different other projects where we participated indirectly through other venture companies, of course.
Okay.
So, but I also represent the exchange, right?
Okay.
So, and I see the business also from the point like what requires by
Yes,
community.
correct.
And yeah, I do understand that we have to push the technology and all, and we are doing, we are supporting. For example, we are collaborating as a lab, so we did the meetups with the Solana. We are going to do with Avalanche. We did with other like projects, and we will be doing Cardano, for example, soon,
Okay.
hopefully. So when we are talking to Cardano, they say, "Hey guys, we don't want to have any networking dinners and all. We are more into giving information and education to people so people can adopt." So whatever you see projects, it's the main idea to bring non-crypto people or non-blockchain people to the world, because blockchain in general, it's not about meme, it's not about tokens to buy and earn. It's also about when we go to airport, and airport knows who we are from where. So it's digital identification.
Okay.
From where digital identification coming from? It's coming from
For example,
blockchain.
like if I have the idea, like I have the project and I want to create an ecosystem. Like for example, I have created some basic idea like what I need to create for the community, and if I represent my product or the project to you, and in this case, like you are going to look into the all the things like how it is going to benefit the community as
Yep.
well as the how it is going to be form into the backend system and everything. So, like when it comes to the basic idea, like what are the stages are going to be? Like how many stages we need to complete, like to get the funding?
So I'll say we have a team working on that. So they are looking for technicalities for finance prospect to how it will develop in the future. And so as soon as it looks attractive, so they will get in touch with you.
Okay. So, like for example, sometimes people have the web development team or the Web3 team, those who are building the project already. Sometimes you do not have the developers or the blockchain layer one network or developer or something. So, in this case, do you guys give them any support in terms of this development or something?
As the angel investment, of course, we are interested in your success the most. So, and of course, due to all our connections and 9 years of experience, we know, guys, to help you
Course,
out, of course.
of course. So it's really sounding great, and I'm really interested in this project that you are handling right now. And I will research more about your like business and everything, and I'm going to look into it, and I'm going to explain everything about the your product and everything, so that my community members are going to know about like how it works, how they can get funding, because lots of people are working on the different projects and right now they are struggling with the funding. and it is going to be game changer for them as well as for you, so that we can grow together. That's the main point of view.
Of course. So thank you for
Thank you for
coming
your
and
time.
getting more
Yeah.
information. So we will be happy to explore more nice project coming to our
Yeah.
platform.
Thank you for
Thank
your
you.
time. Have a good day.